Good morning and welcome to my channel today on Equity One, and it's been a great pleasure in terms of talking to you regarding the markets update. What has been really fantastic is about two important things that we are going to talk about. One is about our great automobile company, Hero Honda. The Hero Motorcycle Corp, which has been tied up with Harley Davidson, and they have come out with the Hero Harley X440 motorcycle, which is going to cost at 2.29 lakhs Indian price. Now that is a revolutionary idea which I would suggest in terms of the motorcycle business. Why? Because with the Royal Enfield being the sole challenger in the market, which was trying to come up with those big bikes, now has suddenly got a very big competition coming from a well-known brand, and that too the combination of Hero and Harley Davidson putting it together. With a very affordable tag price of 2.29 lakhs on the market price, that is definitely going to trigger competition to the next level as far as possible. The second thing that we have to look about here is that there has been a sudden spurge in terms of the two-wheeler business with the advent of electric as well as the regular vehicles. Now, Hero Motorcycle or Bajaj or TV is trying to come up with new models, and they are trying to build up the Indian consumer base with a variety of vehicles that are going to come up and that are going to really scorch the road. So this is the chance and opportunity for the Hero Motor Corp definitely to go up in terms of share value and also go up in terms of the market share altogether. So we need to keep watching this space, where we're going to see that Hero Motorcycle going to become the leader yet again in terms of the motorcycle business, the two-wheeler segment altogether. And this is a very close competition, and Harley Davidson, after a 3-year collaboration with them, have come out with a fantastic vehicle, and definitely this collaboration is going to be fruitful in the long run. The second important news which I would like to share with you today is about the IndusInd Bank and the promoters increasing their stake in this bank. There has been a talk about this factor that IndusInd Bank promoters, that is the Hinduja Group people, have gone ahead and raised $1.5 billion with their banking partners, where they are going to get into in terms of increasing the promoter stake in the banking institution. This is definitely a very good call altogether, with the Indian BFSI segment on a shining face. I think with the consolidations that are going on in the banking sector, the IndusInd Bank raising its promoter's stake is definitely going to call for a positive impact altogether. Now, with the IDFC and IDFC First also trying to get onto a merger phase, IndusInd coming up with a rise in its promoter, the banking and financial services sector is really poised to grow to the next level as far as possible. As I had already given up in my previous video, I had spoken about Bank of Baroda and also about State Bank of India. I've given those couple of shares which would definitely make an upside move. With that, with the Bajaj Finance, that is also making up a very good amount of capital generation, that is in terms of the profit. They have also come out with very good scorecards this morning. So this shows that the banking financial service sector is trying to make a rapid stride in this entire segment. So in the long run, what we are going to see here is that the Bank Nifty is not just going to seize down by saying that it has touched a 45,000 plus. It is definitely going to rally further. Probably we would not be surprised by the next year if the Bank Nifty goes ahead and touches a 50,000. And with the Gift Nifty coming into picture, I think the options trading is going to get even more hotter, and this is where we are going to see that the market really going to pick up. So keep an eye on the BFSI segment, as I have been talking about, and also on the automobile segment, because these two segments are definitely going to move up completely bullish in the coming months. Thank you guys for joining me today on this wonderful session. I hope and believe that all the tips that have been shared with you will help you to invest smarter and take forward your portfolio in the right direction. Thank you guys.